Let me destroy the biggest lie about women with princess complexes that simps, white knights, and desperate men refuse to admit. Her ego isn't confidence, it's insecurity disguised as superiority. That cold demeanor, the "you're lucky to even talk to me" attitude, the way she tests you with little insults or dismissive comments, none of that is real power. It's a performance, a shield built from years of weak men rewarding her bad behavior with attention, validation, and desperate attempts to prove themselves. And today, I'm handing you the playbook to disarm her completely. Not by arguing, not by groveling, but by becoming the man who makes her question her own value. Here's the brutal truth. Women don't act entitled unless men allow it. Every time a guy laughs at her rude jokes, chases her after she ghosts him, or buys her drinks after she disrespects him, he trains her to believe she's the prize. But real power doesn't beg. It observes. So when she hits you with some condescending remark like, "I don't usually date guys like you," you don't flinch. You don't qualify yourself. You just smirk and say, "Yeah, I get that a lot," and let the silence hang. Because here's the secret. Women with inflated egos are used to men scrambling for their approval. They're not used to a man who simply doesn't care. Now let's talk strategy. Most guys screw this up in two ways. Either they kiss her ass, hoping kindness will win her over. It won't. Or they get butthurt and start insulting her, which just proves she got under their skin. The winning move? Indifference. Not anger, not approval seeking, just amused detachment. When she tries to test you with some entitled demand like, "You should take me somewhere nice," you don't argue. You don't comply. You just raise an eyebrow and say, "Maybe if you earn it." Then watch her face. Because suddenly, the script is flipped. She's not the one evaluating you anymore. You're evaluating her. Body language is your silent weapon. Most men lean in when talking to a beautiful woman, nodding too much, laughing too hard at her jokes, subconsciously begging for her approval. Here's what you do instead. Slow down everything. Your movements, your speech, even your eye contact. When she's talking, don't nod like a puppy. Just listen with mild interest, like you're watching a mildly entertaining TV show. And when she says something ridiculous, don't rush to respond. Pause. Let the awkwardness sit. Then reply in a tone that says, "You're humoring her, not impressed by her." Because the moment she realizes she can't rattle you, she'll either respect you or she'll leave. Either way, you win. Voice control is critical. Most men's voices go up in pitch when they're trying to impress a woman, littering their sentences with ums and likes, because they're scared of silence. Your voice should do the opposite. Drop at the end of sentences, slow down, and embrace pauses. When she throws some entitled comment your way, don't rush to defend yourself. Just say, "Interesting take," and let the silence linger. That quiet confidence unnerves women who are used to men tripping over themselves to please them. But here's the nuclear option. The one move that separates the boys from the real men. When she crosses the line, when she's disrespectful, rude, or clearly playing games, you don't explain, you don't complain, you don't call her out. You simply leave. Not dramatically, not angrily. Just bored. Like you've got better things to do. Because the ultimate power move isn't proving you're right. It's showing her you don't need to. And guess what? The women worth your time will respect you for it. The ones who don't? They were never an option to begin with. So here's your homework. Next time a woman acts entitled, don't reward it. Don't punish it. Just observe it. Like a scientist watching a lab rat press a lever for attention. And when she realizes you're not another simp desperate for her validation, one of two things will happen. Either she'll double down and reveal her true colors, saving you time. Or she'll drop the act and start treating you like a man who demands respect. And that's when you'll know. You're not just playing the game anymore. You're the one setting the rules. Drop a comment below with the word frame if you've dealt with this before, and hit subscribe if you're ready to stop chasing and start choosing. Because the man you become on the other side of this lesson, that's the man who wins.